We've had a few improvements with Blue, but I really wanted to show you what a timid, nervous bird can be like. Rocky's screaming because he wants to watch television. So I have to roll his stand over. Come here, Rocky. Let's go. All right. We'll get you to watch TV. You can finish watching The Bachelor. Rocky's getting rolled over to watch television. And he might scream until I turn it on. Now, if you guys remember that I got this bird from somebody. Okay, so he definitely wants to watch his show. This is really important for you guys. It's like I'm trying to do one thing, but I'm totally need to please this bird. So Rocky literally wants his light off, okay? You see what? I know, baby. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna find my phone. I'm gonna get your show. Pause while I find my bird his television show. Yeah. So there he is, all happy now. You're such a brat, you know that? Yeah. It's your little baby. Yeah, you like that? Okay, now that my bird is happy, I can move on. It's a commercial! What is your problem with commercials? You happy now? I put the dancers on. Is that better? Is that better for you, baby? So back to regular programming. Oh my God, no. So Rocky wants to be with me right now, right? You had your show. You want to come over here and hang out? Let's hang out here for a second, okay? Why don't you hang out right down there and show everyone you're singing, okay? Do you want me to sing to you? Rocky's literal problem is that he wants me to sing to him. He keeps waving his foot at me. Like that, it means sing. But that doesn't mean that the next day they're going to be exactly like that. It really takes consistent work. You have to do that every single day. You know you're ridiculous sometimes, right? Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a bird who has everything? I have gadgets and gizmos aplenty. Who's and what's galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the birdies are. I wanna see them dancing. Up where they walk, up where they talk, up where they play all day in the sun. Wandering free, wish I could be baby Rocky. Are you gonna be quiet now? Sometimes I feel like the court jester, you know, like they've all hired me. This guy thinks I'm his personal entertainment. All this and we haven't even gotten Blue out. Especially since Merlin is also a new bird. Oh, I'm sorry, Rocky. Did you want this whole video to be about you? Why don't you tell me your problem? He just wants my attention. Come here, Rocky. See, that means sing. He wants me to sing. Can you go watch TV? Rocky, I'm not gonna sing. You want me to sing? Literally, my voice hurts right now. There's a song that's inside of my soul. It's the one that I've tried to write over and over again. I'm awake in the infinite cold. Sing to me of the plans that you have for me over again. So I down, and I lift my wings and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know now you're my only hope. Good bird. Are we done now? George is about to walk in. How excited is Rocky gonna get? It's hard to get them in their natural reactions because they're always so concerned about the camera.
Hello.
See, yeah, you're ready.
What's up, bro? Come in, bro. What's up? Who are you?
Oh, look who's happy now.
Yeah.
He's so happy now.
What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Huh? Should do the monkey thing, you know, like.